Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to clear or flush the DNS cache in the Opera browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Sometimes a website may not load properly or it may display an outdated version of a web page. This can happen because the browser stores DNS information in its cache. Clearing the DNS cache allows the browser to request fresh DNS information from the server and can help fix website loading issues. So let's get started. First open Opera browser and then click on the address bar, and now type here opera://net-internals/hash-dns and then press enter on the keyboard. This will open the internal DNS page of the Opera browser. Here you will see a button labeled Clear Host Cache. Simply click on Clear Host Cache to flush the DNS cache stored by the Opera browser. Once you do this, the DNS cache will be cleared and Opera will request fresh DNS information the next time you visit a website. After clearing the DNS cache, you can close this page and continue browsing normally. That's it. This is how you can clear or flush the DNS cache in Opera browser in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the GearUpWindows channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.